Welcome to the 2025 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we're here checking out a new hideout, and David here is going to show us around.
Hello there. What we're displaying right here is the 24FKS. This is a DLX full-size camper. Just to go over our warranties real quick, every Keystone Hideout has a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 3-year structural warranty that is transferable. So if you only need a camper for a year or two, it's going to hold its value very well with that extended warranty. And then we have a lifetime warranty on the roof and a 25-year warranty on the floor. So starting here with Keystone Hideout, all of the hideouts are 8 foot wide, so that makes a big difference in some of the other stick and tin or traditionally built campers. A lot of those go to 7 feet, so you have a full 8 foot size unit here. You have 2-inch sidewalls, so plenty of room for insulation. Again, stick and tin, traditionally built camper. Kind of starting on the front here, all your hideouts are going to have your on-demand hot water heater, little outside kitchen. You got your Moride steps here, nice solid steps, very easy to adjust, very easy to go down. We do like to show off that it's dual seal on all the slide outs. You can't reach through there at all, so double seal on both sides, keeping all the water, the insects, and nothing to penetrate. There's also one of the neat things about this is we also do a C channel all the way around of our slide outs. So that way, if it's raining and you're about to pack up camp, you bring that slide out in. Normally all that water kind of hits on your floor. Right here for us, it's just going to hit in that C channel and run down the sides of the trailer.
Over here we have our power hookup, city water connection, outdoor shower, freshwater connection, and flush. Coming around the front, you have a power jack, 2 propane tanks, and then there's a dump station. There's 2 of them, I guess. Okay, yeah. Coming around the back, you have a spare tire. You do have a backup camera. Look at the size of that window. Come around the front, nice size awning. Outlet right here, inverted. Cable hookup. Satellite cable.
All right, this is the inside of a 24FKS hideout. It is our full-size unit. As you can see, nice massive front kitchen area. This is a brand new floor plan to Keystone Hideout. Just an absolute ton of counter space, anything you want to do, all your front kitchen here. One of the things about Keystone Hideout, it's always solid wood cabinet doors and solid wood cabinets. Your cabinets are pre-drilled and screwed, so they're not stapled together. So you could literally come in here and hang on these units. So when this thing's bumping down the road, never have to worry about anything, cheapening or falling or anything down like that. Always standard is our air fryer and convection oven. Full-size fridge. New to 2025, we went to the LED strip lighting. And one of the nice things I like to show about on all Keystone Hideouts, we have a little bit taller roofs than the rest of the industry, so it also gives us the advantage of doing larger slide outs. So plenty of headroom even in a slide out, also gives us the advantage of doing larger windows in our slide outs. 2 of the things that Keystone is more famous for is our patented blade AC system. The way that air carries over this hump and goes directly down, just this piece by itself adds 20% more airflow. So obviously, we are at the Florida SuperShow. It is normally very, very hot at this show, so are in Florida. So our blade AC system is a great advantage to all of our Keystone Hideouts. 2 ACs in this full-size unit. So turning around from our massive kitchen here, of course you got your nice theater seating. Nice large pantries to all your cookware and everything you need to extend and use all this lovely kitchen area. You got your solid door here to separate your living room. So as you see, the pass-through bathroom here, 1-piece shower. You have your desk area in your bedroom, so if you're on the road or working from the road, nice little area for your desk and power and everything of that nature. Again, slide out system is a rack and pin slide out system, most tried and true in the RV industry. One of the things I do like to talk about also is the floor, where a lot of other manufacturers just do 4 by 8 foot sheets in different parts of the floor and stick all those together. all the Keystone Hideouts are a one-piece floor. That's the nice thing, it's a one-piece laminate, so there's never any kind of soft spots in your floor, any kind of creakiness in your floor, because it's a one-piece laminate laid down first. If the dog kicks over the water bowl or anything like that, nowhere for water to penetrate. It is a Dynaspan deck floor, so it's the same floor used in pontoons, so absolutely tried and true. The nice thing we like to do is, even though this is a traditional built or a stick-it-tin camper, it's the exact same roof and exact same floor that's done on a $100,000 Keystone Montana or a Cougar. So we don't chintz to make it a whole lot cheaper or anything like that. But here is the 24 FKS Keystone Hideout.
Yeah, I really like the desk option too.
Yeah, absolutely. You've just toured the Keystone 24 FKS full-size unit. Again, my name is David Lint, Southeast District Sales Manager for Keystone Hideout. If you have any more questions or want to check this out a little bit more, you can go to www.keystonerv.com. Thank you.
Thanks for showing us around, David. We appreciate it.
My pleasure. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it. To watch more videos like this one, then watch one of these videos.